Zenjiro?
Yeah, we're gonna have it at my house. I'm inviting everyone in the class. It'll be huge.
I don't know. He's always seemed kind of weird. To say the least.
And what's up with those sideburns?
And those teeth.
I can't believe it. Even little kids don't like me, and I'm the host of a kids' TV show.
You mean you're not coming?
We're there.
Hallelujah.
So, what should we get him?
Oh, good question. Hey, I just got the greatest idea. Why don't we each make him something?
Aya, that's brilliant.
I just love it.
So, handmade gifts, huh? I'm all thumbs when it comes to making stuff by hand, but hey, for Zenjiro, I'll give it a shot. Hey, do you guys want to come to my party?
Can I?
Of course you can. Hey, what about you?
It'll be fun.
Maybe.
He said maybe.
I heard him. Hey, I bet there'll be lots of celebrities at a party for Zenjiro, right? Everyone from Child's Toy's coming.
Wait a second, Sana. Did you invite Mayo Tomita and Tomomi Ayano?
Yeah, after all, you're gonna be working with them. Well, I hadn't thought of it.
Oh, please invite them.
Yeah, I guess I couldn't hurt to at least ask them.
I don't suppose you're inviting Natsumi to the party as well, are you?
Yeah, Why not? I'll just invite everybody.